Here we are at the Berwick Car Show. Now, we just left Coffee and Cars in Newington. It's a Crosley. Here's Stan and I power parking. Soup, is that you? A four-door Phaeton. Here's Chris's. Got a $40,000 frame and running gear under this. And here's one of my favorite cars. I'm gonna have to hurry this up. It's starting to pour. Come on, Peter. You gotta close it up. One of my favorite 55s. So they drive 500 miles a day. Yeah.
And then they usually hold it.
Hi, Tony.
Hi.
How you doing? Huh?
Stop videoing for a minute. Oh, okay. I'll give you that little
No, I was, oh, now, 34.
Well, the rain stopped for a few minutes. Nice new black GT 350. It's 2016. In the Studebaker. How you doing? Here's Paul's Econoline. Got a 454 in the back. Here's George's. Don't see many of these around. 65 Barracuda. Here you go, Eddie. That's a 71. '31 Model A fire truck. There's Papa's car. How you doing? Nice 64 GTO.
I don't feel it.
I like this Roadrunner.
I had to put a programmer in there, and now it's over 200 on one.
Still the same.
Yeah. Oh,
That's okay.
We went out on his birthday. I was like, he turned 60. I was like, God, I can't even believe it.
I think I'm gonna have a cookout this year.
Nice 61 Falcon. '48 Dodge Power Wagon. I like the cross ram on it. '65 Falcon.
People get store stuff and make it actually useful, you know?
It's Timmy's old wagon. Danny owns it now. You got their names?
I got his name.
Okay, this one's here. This one's for Jim McKeon out of Florida. His buddy Jim said the weather's fantastic up here. It's in the high 50s and raining.
Going on right here. We got a big shield going over there with the Boy Scouts.
Yeah.
We got all sorts of t-shirts, and don't forget the Harley Davidson, their $20 ticket over there will get your Harley, okay? So come on over and give it a shot. And we got popcorn! Forget the popcorn. Here we go. Come on over. You gotta get one of those.
Here's Hokey's car. Here's Tommy's car.